Hello and welcome to Mindful Crafts Online. My name is Emily and I'm the Creative Wellbeing Admin Assistant at Quad. Mindful Crafts is a relaxed and supportive environment where adults can come and learn new creative skills, improve their confidence and self-esteem. Mindful Crafts is supported by Derbyshire Mind and is run fortnightly online via Zoom. Today, Stacey is showing us how to make some string art like the examples shown here. For this, you will need a corkboard, pins, scissors, paper and a pencil and some string.
Hi everyone, it's Stacey from Mindful Crafts and I'm just going to show you briefly what we have been doing in our session today. So we've been having a go at a variation of nail art or pin art. So here's a couple of examples of what I've done. So we did a heart and then I've also done a star shape. So what we used was a kind of a square cork board. So I got these online on Amazon. So they're just cut down smaller versions of like what you'd use for a notice board, and on the back they've got some adhesive, so if you did want to stick them on the wall afterwards you could do. So you need some kind of board like this. You could get a larger cork board, cut it down, or use a bigger one, or you can have a look online to see what you can find. We may also have a few packs left, so if you get in touch with the team at Quad, they will be able to send one out to you. And then what you need to do is decide on your shape and create a template with paper. So if you were doing a heart, for example, you would cut out the shape of a heart just with some plain white paper and use one of the pins. So we're using just small little pins like this. There you go. That will just press easily into the cork board. So you use one to hold your template in place. And then you're going to go around the edge of your shape with the pins. So perhaps starting at the top here, and then with a gap of maybe a centimetre or two, it doesn't need to be exact, you space out the pins and you keep going all the way around your shape. So just pressing them into the cork. When you've gone all the way around the edge, you can take out that middle pin and then remove your template. So what you do once you have your full shape, so I'll just put a few more onto this one so I can show you. So you would go all the way around the edge with no gaps. If I just put a few more around here for now. So yeah, you would evenly space them all the way around the edge. And then when you remove your template, you would have your shape in place. You then need some string or twine. So for example, this yellow one here. And you start off by tying on your string around one of the nails, just to get you started. And then when you press it in a bit more. And what you want to do first of all is create your outline. So you would go around the edge of your nail template with your string. And then once you have your edge done, you then start to work across the shape. So moving across from one nail to the other, looping round, and then going across onto another. And so you can do this in, in any order, quite haphazardly. It doesn't have to be exact. And you would just keep going until you cover your whole shape. So here I've worked across the star in all different directions, each time looping around one of the nails and then going across again until you're happy with how your shape is covered. It's a really simple technique, but it is a little bit fiddly. So you kind of have to just wiggle the nails in and out of the cork as you need to. It's a lovely one just to focus purely on what you're doing and switch off a bit from your everyday life. But yeah, it can be a bit tricky and a bit fiddly with the nails we found today, especially. Once you finished, or you finished with that collar and you want to change colour, you would tie off with a knot and then tie on a second piece of string to start again. So for example, on this one here, I have got a couple of different shades of the aqua there. So I tied off one and then tied on another and started again. So really simple, you just move the string from pin to pin across your shape until you're happy with how it looks. Hopefully that makes sense. Give it a go, and we'd love to see some pictures of how you get on. Have a great day.
We hope you enjoyed this session, and please share any creations with us by emailing us a photo to creativewellbeing@derbyquad.co.uk. For more information about how to join a mindful craft session, please visit derbyquad.co.uk. If you find yourself experiencing difficult, intense emotions or a mental health crisis, please contact any of the following numbers for help. The Samaritans 116123, Derbyshire Mind NHS Mental Health Crisis Number 0800 028 0077, the National Domestic Abuse Helpline 0808 2 000 247, and if you need medical help but can keep yourself safe for a while, NHS 111 by dialing 111. And if you feel like your life is at risk or have seriously harmed yourself, please call 999 immediately. If you are looking for general mental health information, you can also call the National Mind Helpline on 03000 123 3393.